Hi, I'm Chris Jones coming to you on the Hive. Excited to announce Windows Vista Beta 2 preview program. We've done some great work. The team's been working hard to get the product ready for you, and you're the first customers of the customer preview program and the people that we hope are going to help us make the product great and really get the world excited about Windows Vista, plus give us the feedback we need to make the product what we all want it to be as we ship it later this year. So with that, I want to make sure that we give you the right steps to get started with Windows Vista, point you to the Get Ready page, and then talk to you about some of the exciting features we've got going on in Beta 2 that we want you to pay some special attention to as you use it. One of the things I'd like to do is actually give you a couple ideas of what to try out that could really help us that's new in the beta. We've got the Windows Media Player available with the Urge service in it. I've been using it myself with the subscription, and you get a free 14-day trial of Urge as you sign up, so you get to use all those songs. You can use the new photo gallery, which lets you organize all your different pictures. I've got all these pictures of my 3 kids that are on my photo gallery. I tag them, I share them, I publish them out to the web. Getting you to use that and tell us what it's like would be outstanding. And then parental controls is there for you as well. So if you've been frustrated with having your kid access your computer and do some things to it maybe they shouldn't be doing, parental controls can help you make a difference there. So I talked about a couple things. I talked about the photo gallery, and I talked about media player and the sidebar. You see over here I've got the sidebar, and you can see photos from my photo gallery being shown right in the sidebar here. If I want to, I can take that and drag it off, and you can see, play around with it. It gets a little bit bigger. If I want to dock it back on, I can just go dock it back on. Notice how that animates together nicely. If I'm in the photo gallery itself and I want to sort by things, we support full tagging in the system. So if I want to see only tags with trees, I can do that, or vacation, wildlife, different pictures that I've got. You notice here as well that my movies show up in addition to my pictures. So if I want to make a slideshow and add movies to it, I can do that really simply right within the photo gallery. I can do ratings and other types of things with my photos. And again, look at the graphics and the effects we've got in the system. You'll see that throughout, where I've got a nice display here and reflection of the picture. Same thing you see in Windows Media Player here. I've got the great rich album art. We're connected up to the Urge service right now. If I want to search through my files, I can do that. So let's say I want to see things by Aisha Duo. Here it is. I've got some great jazz songs on here. The same notion of tagging and keywords works. You see it over here. And I can see a view by artist or by album. And if I want, or by songs, so you can see that sorted there. And one of the great things, just like we had in the photo gallery, we have a nice search box. So if I want to see somebody here, I can type their name and it gets filtered down. If I want to see songs that are rock, I can filter by rock. Or if I want to see jazz, I can filter down by jazz. Great thing is we've done a super deal with MTV Networks, where they're providing a music service that they call Urge. And so here you get to the Urge homepage. And the great thing about that is you get a free 14-day subscription to Urge to try it out. And if you want to, you can just get an access to their whole music library. So if I want to do a view by album, or let's say I want to do a view by artist, here I am. I want to see everything by Bruce Springsteen. There I am, and you can see there's 28 Bruce albums on Urge. And I can just quickly click here and start playing Thunder Road if I want to do that. Well, there it is signing me in, and we're off to the races playing Thunder Road. So it's just a great experience to be able to go and filter through all your music and look at the things that we've got on Urge. I can look at U2 if I want to go and do that. There's 24 albums on U2, 230 songs. I can also see different playlists, artist playlists, Billboard charts if I want to do that. So I can look at what's cool and what's hot on the Urge charts. And I can also do any of the kind of queries you think about doing on the media player. I can do it right here on Urge. So there we go. There's a little bit of media player, a little bit of photo gallery, a little bit of the sidebar, just to get your appetite wet for Beta 2. As members of our community, you are super influential in what we do, how we do it, getting it right for people out there, and getting the word out about what's great, what things still need improvement, and helping to educate users as they get the build about the best ways to try it out. Now, we're very excited about the Beta 2 build. We've done through a lot of testing, through community technology previews and the rest. We've incorporated that feedback, and we think we got things just right. We know that you'll run into issues, and we want to hear about them from you directly, and we want you to help us make this product great, because at the end of the day, getting the high-quality Windows Vista out is what's on all of our minds. The other thing for you that you can really help us with, that you always do a great job with, working with us, is to make sure that users have the best information from you. So as you use the product, you get experiences with it, you got tips and tricks, post them, talk about them, share them with your friends. Make sure that the community knows what's working and what's not, and how to get the best out of the release. And to the extent that you find something you love, we love to hear about it, and we'd love for you to talk about it too. Thanks again for your help getting Windows Vista done and making this beta and our preview release the best it can possibly be.